Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best. Today we are talking about something that can completely transform the way you sleep. The LuxClub 4-piece queen sheet set. If you have been hunting for that perfect balance between luxury, comfort, and practicality, then stay tuned because this set might just be your new favorite bedding. Right out of the package, these sheets feel incredibly soft, almost silky. The medallion gold color instantly gives a premium hotel style vibe to your bedroom. And since this is a full set, you get one fitted sheet, one flat sheet, and two pillowcases. It's everything you need to completely refresh your bed in one go. Now let's talk about features. These are deep pocket sheets, so they fit mattresses up to 18 inches thick without slipping off. That's a huge plus. If you have ever struggled with fitted sheet popping up at the corners, they're also wrinkle free. So if you're not into ironing your bedding, you are in luck. The fabric blend is breathable and cooling, which is perfect for all sleepers. No more tossing and turning because you feel overheated at night. And here's the big one. They are machine washable. You don't need to baby these sheets. Toss them in, wash, dry, and they come out just as soft as when you first bought them. So, how do they actually feel when you're lying in them? Honestly, silky, smooth, and lightweight. They're soft enough to feel like luxury hotel sheets, but breathable enough for everyday use. Whether you are winding down after a long day, binge watching your favorite shows, or getting those solid 8 hours of these sheets make your bed feel like a retreat. Now let's talk about value. For a full four-piece set that feels this luxurious, surprisingly affordable, if you are someone who wants hotel-level comfort at home, or maybe you just want sheets that look elegant but are easy to care for, this is a perfect option. It's great for upgrading your own bed, but it also makes a thoughtful gift for weddings, housewarmings, or family. So, if you're ready to upgrade your sleep game, definitely check out the Lux Club 4 Fees, Queen Sheet, and Medallion Gold. Thank you for watching. See you next time.